Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Warzone thumbnail like swag. If you see my channel, I have a special design for my thumbnails. In the future I will upload video for how to make thumbnail like me, but today we wanna make thumbnail like swag. At first, let's search swag thumbnails to make that thumbnails and learn how to make that thumbnails. All right, we found thumbnails, and in this thumbnail we need some icons. We need swag's picture, a screenshot of MP5. We need a school death PNG. We need warzone victory, and we need sky and anime zone. Let's search this icon and download PNG of these icons. All right, I will be back. All right, at first press don't fill and start plunder. If you want, you can take a picture of your gun when you jump down. Just press I on your keyboard and take a picture for your weapon. But for the swag thumbnail, he reload his gun, and when his reload complete, he took a picture for the thumbnails. All right, let's copy these pictures to the Photoshop and let's see which MP5 screenshot is better one. Reload screenshot is the better, and swag use the reload of MP5. All right, use this tool and Ctrl J for copy the marker and delete the screenshot, and then I use this pen tool to remove MP5 from the background. I make the video on 2x. Let's see what happened next. All right, we cut out the MP5 and let's see the thumbnails. We don't need that. Let's see the thumbnails. He make the MP5 so big, so we just copy his way. All right, if you see the original thumbnail, the head of swag jump out from the background, and we try to make some this visual for swag. In this part, we have to remove the upper part of the head from the background so that we can add stork to the background as the original thumbnail. Search and download the PNG anime zoom. Then search the sky. The bluer sky is the better one. Download that. And then search and download the PNG skull. Put the PNG skull on your picture. I add a circle behind the skull and make a group of these. And then I add the number of kill 24. Just double click on the layer of 24, the number, and then add the drop shadow and maybe some stork, outer glow. It is your choice. Okay? Let's create the background for writing 2 shots. One of the hardest parts of this video is remove the warzone victory from the background. First, we remove the warzone victory as normal layer, as you see. Take a copy of it. And finally change the original image layer to the screen and place it below the normal layer. Just follow my video, okay? Place it below the normal layer to place the blue brightness above and below the normal layer. Guys, we need blue brightness Double click the anime zoom and change the color to white in the color overlay to get exact photo like Swagg's thumbnail. As you can see, they are just like each other. Now we need some shine for the gun. We use the brush tool and try to use more bright colors for the shine. But we do not brush it on all parts of the gun. And finally, put it on linear dodge or screen and reduce the opacity and field to 55%. In order to have a professional photo, we search for the PNG laser eye and download one of the images. I try to place the light exactly on the eyes and use perspective and warp tools to be more accurate. As you can see, the image looks more beautiful. I changed the name of the layers and then it is time to the color correction at the highest level of the layers. Finally, we put all the layers in a group, make a copy of that group, and then hold Ctrl and press E to nest the all layers. Now it is time to use camera raw filter and make final color correction for this thumbnail. Color correction is completely tasteful and I use cool color for this thumbnail. My suggestion for export is PNG 8 because it has a higher quality. And finally, we see the difference between the two images. I think the photo I made is better. I don't know. I will be happy to share your opinion with me in the comments. Guys, check the description. I put the project download link in the description down below. If you want me to make the thumbnails you want, just leave the comment down below. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, if this video was useful for you, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Share this video to your friends who create Warzone videos. And that's it. I catch you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.